So this is simple 2 omelettes in it, and I've got 2 green chilies, added a good amount of cheese and a little size tomato, and you can add more cheese if you want. And now I'm just final touch up with the oregano leaves, and all the spices, salt, red chili flakes, and now I'm going to mix it, and then we will fry it as we fry our regular omelette. After heating oil in the pan, I'm just going to pour in the egg mixture and stir it with a fork, and I will allow it to cook from one side, and then I will flip it to the other one on the low heat. The flame should be kept low, medium to low. Now it's cooked from the one side. Just going to flip it halfway like this, and I'm going to cook it this way for until the eggs are ready. Because this is the cheese which is melting, so you have to cook it, and the first side and then the other side. And it's ready. You can see the cheese melting, the green chilies, the chili flakes, tomatoes, everything looks so delicious and perfect. It's ready to serve, ready to eat. Eat it with the bread or with paratha, or you can eat it alone. So enjoy.